How to download an image from ChatGPT on Mac. First, I'm going to show you how to download your images from ChatGPT when using the browser version of ChatGPT, like is the case right here. And then I'm also going to show you how to download your images in case you're using the ChatGPT desktop app on your Mac. So let's dive right into it. First, if you generate an image in ChatGPT with Dolly, for example, once it's generated, to download it, simply hover over the image, and then in the top right corner of the screen, click on the download button to download it. Instead of doing it like this, you can also just right click on the image and then click on Save Image As, give your image a new name, and click on Save. Now one thing that you will notice when you download an image from ChatGPT, currently it will download in WebP format. This is probably not what you want. If you would like to change that, for example, let's say you would like to have it in JPEG or PNG, then just make sure to right click on your image, then go to Open With, and choose Preview. Once you have your image in preview mode, go to File here on top, then go to Export. And for the format right here, you can then use JPEG or change it to PNG, for example. Also make sure that it actually goes into the right directory. So in this case, we're going to save it here in the Downloads folder and click on Save. And as you can see, our file is right here now, and it is indeed saved as a PNG. Now, in case you would like to download images from ChatGPT that you have uploaded by yourself at some time to ChatGPT by using the upload function right here. For example, now I just upload this test image right here. To download this image, you can also simply right click on the image and then click Save Image As, adjust the name if necessary, and then click on Save to download your image onto your Mac. And here it is. Now let's have a look at how to download images from ChatGPT on the ChatGPT Mac desktop app. This is where things get interesting. So I have now switched to the Mac ChatGPT desktop app. Let's have a look at how to download images here. First, let me generate an image. Now, to download that image that we generated with the help of ChatGPT 4 and Dolly, here's how we do it. Right click on the image, click on Save Image As, give the image a name, don't forget to add the file extension, and click on Save. And here's the image now on our Mac. Now let's upload our own image here on the ChatGPT Mac desktop application. To do so, we click here on the plus symbol, then we go to Upload File, then we select the image that we would like to upload, and click on Open. Finally, we have to click here on the Send button as well to upload our image to ChatGPT. And now let's suppose that after some time you would like to download this image from ChatGPT because maybe you have accidentally deleted it or you just don't remember where to find it on your computer or whatever. So how can we actually do that? First of all, you will notice when you right click on the image, actually nothing's going to happen at all. So there is no Save Image As option as you will get when you click on a generated image on ChatGPT, like for this one right here, right? If you remember correctly, you can just right click on it and then click on Save Image As, right? So this doesn't work if it is your own uploaded image. So what you have to do is to actually left click on it, and this will open your image up like this. Now you'll notice when you right click, there is still no option to actually save your image on your Mac. So what do? Well, we actually come up here and go to Open with Preview. This will open up the image in the Mac Preview application. Now, to save this image, you would think that you could simply come up here to File and then go to Save, click on Save As here, give it a name, and click on Save right here. But you will then notice that this will probably not work. And if that is the case, here's the workaround. Click on OK, then once again go to File here on top, click on Save again, Save As, give it the desired name. And now to fix this, before we actually click on Save here, what you actually have to do is to move this quality fader right here. It's kind of bizarre because when you look closely, you will see that for file size here, it says actually 0 KB. So there's some sort of weird thing going on here. But if you move the quality fader a bit, let's say you put it to the best quality, you will actually see that file size here will adjust accordingly. And now our file actually has a size. That's amazing, right? And once you've done that, you can then indeed click on Save, and now it's also going to work. Problem solved. Now, instead of doing it like this, there's also another way to download this image on your Mac. And that is once again here in preview mode, go to File, then go to Save, click on Save As. And now instead of moving the quality fader, you simply change the format here from JPEG to PNG. And this will also fix the file size problem that we just had earlier on. Don't forget to give your image a name right here. And finally click on Save. And this is also going to work and will download your ChatGPT image to your Mac. And that's it, guys. This is how you download images from ChatGPT to your Mac. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more ChatGPT tutorials.